Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we'll discuss the best step ladder 2022. Pick the best. All the product links are given in the description video below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Good Life EN131. Good Life folding step ladder is made from good quality steel, having a maximum capacity of 330 pounds. This ladder comes fully assembled. It is a perfect tool for every household and homemaker to reach those oh-so-high shelves. This item has been certified with EN131 Certification for industrial quality and strength. The snap lock latch allows one to climb without fear, and the wide pedal provides stability and safety when you step on it. It can be easily carried around, and a non-slip pad on each step is an added benefit for its protection. ACSTEP. The product quality and safety have been tested and approved by TUV with GS certificate. This metal folding step stool features an enlarged non-slip pattern platform. The locking hole mechanism and rubber feet do not shift, which allows you to plant both feet securely in place while providing heel-to-toe foot support and preventing scratches on the floor. The foldable footstool has 27 waved bars on the surface for better grip and to prevent falling down. The legs are sturdy and have reinforced anti-slip black pieces, and the product has a non-marring portion, which keeps floors from avoiding scratches and silent when you move it. The step stool can be used by anyone in need, indoors and outdoors. If needed in the kitchen, bathroom, shower, bedroom, garage, office, retail store, library, RV, and more. Louisville AS3002. This stepladder version from Louisville has a stylish design and many reliable features. It is built from heavy aluminum that allows it to carry up to 300 pounds. The angled aluminum feet and the plated steel braces guarantee the ladder's stiffness, stability, and durability. The center pull spreader brace helps you to adjust and position the ladder easily, even with one hand. It is well built and lightweight, making it easy to move up and down the stairs. It is the highest quality ladder that every homeowner deserves. Louisville AS3002 6966014 promises safety and stability. The confident footing offered by the slip-resistant rubber feet and legs is also a massive plus to the users. The smooth finish spices up the style and elegance of the ladder. You can use this ladder for various tasks, including arranging items on your shop's top shelves, repairing the broken part of the ceiling, changing the light bulbs, cleaning windows, or any other task beyond your arm's reach. DELXO. DELXO is a high-quality 4-step ladder made from a perfect combination of alloy steel and rubber. Certified by GS and TUV, this product is known to offer a safe and stable experience. Its easy folding capability, combined with a simple lock mechanism, allows for convenient storage and transportation. Just tilt the ladder forward and release the metal lock, which hides on the bottom of the top pedal. Then lift up the back of the top pedal. You can fold it easily. When open, the ladder is 52 inches in height, 34 inches in length, and 17 inches wide, making it a space-saving yet high-step ladder. Furthermore, the steps have extra-wide foot support and non-slip rubber surface, making it almost impossible for you to slip or fall. The size is 30.13 inches length by 18.7 inches width by 43.2 inches height, top pedal. Folded 45.27 height by 18.7 inches length by 2.2 inches width. Net weight 12.5 pounds. Maximum load 500 pounds. Little Giant Ladder Systems Flip-N-Lite. Lightweight aluminum stepladder, ANSI rated type IA to hold up to 300 pounds. The top cap allows you to keep screws and small hand tools close at hand. A slim 4-inch storage profile for easy storage. It also opens and folds easily with one hand. The no-pinch platform negates the need for spreader bars, and the no-top step prevents users from standing on the top step or top cap. 169 square inch standing platform provides a large, comfortable standing surface with 3-inch wide steps have wide, comfortable treads to prevent foot fatigue and loss of balance. Riveted step connections provide long-term strength and durability. Co-molded non-slip rubber feet protect work surfaces and provide superior stability, high-strength polymer molded leg brace to increase stability and to prevent damage during handling and transportation. Cosco 11408 GNF1E. Cosco has introduced a product that people are not worried about investing in and is as convenient as ever. The Cosco 11408 PBL1E is a portable stepladder that can help you with indoor and outdoor activities around the house. It features large steps with a rubber hand grip for more stability and security. The Cosco Step Folding Steel Step Stool has a large heavy-duty injection molded resin steps that feature a ribbed, slip-resistant, wavy design and a self-locking fold that folds very compactly and has a comfortable soft hand grip for carrying to various places with ease. This steel ladder can handle over 200 pounds of weight despite only weighing 13 pounds. You can easily store it in any small corner without any hassle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.